Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share another techniques. Kung Fu one-hand stick techniques to all beginners. Please be careful to use and handle this. To all beginners, step 1, level 1, attack level 1, combat karate do, Kung Fu in all stick techniques with arrow on this level. Before that, please subscribe, notification bell, so follow my Facebook, TikTok. First level strategy to all beginners. Use stick with arrow on this position. Has to be like this. With balance, the stick. Attack like this with arrow, or attack like this. Kick. Make sure learn how to roll your hand to be like this. The first technique to all student beginners. Join rolling techniques first. Step this. Make sure your hand be strong to do this. Magdahan-dahan po sa paggaya nito. Sige, no, maaari kang matatamaan pag hindi mo muna daanin sa umpisa. First step, balancing. It's to be like this. Balance the stick in your hand and this position like this. If you are a left-hander with the stick. Now, if you are right-hander with the stick, that's the same, step forward or right. Has to be like this. Has to be balanced the stick in your hand. Right hand or left hand, it's okay, no problem. Kung saan ka komportable, doon ka. Yes, guys, no? Kung mas the best, if you are a left and right hander techniques. Yes, guys, no? Balance the stick to be like this. Like this. Step forward right if you are a right hander of this technique. Learn how to join your hand. Then kick, chop. Your hand has to be like this. Back. The stick, the arrow of the stick in front of your body, as like this. Please use this in a good reason. This technique, especially to all the girls, your self-defense technique in Kung Fu techniques. Kahit guys makahawak ka lang ng stick, wala na makakapit sa'yo pag ikaw ay nasa alanganing God. All the girls, mas maganda sa inyo to. All student, all criminologists. Sabi ko siya, hello to all student. Marami-rami kayo, kaya to all of you guys, shout out. Again, first, balancing your hand in a low stick with arrow. Has to be like this. Your hand is put to be like this. In the first, all beginners, student. Like this, and to be like this. As balancing, if you are right handle, step up forward, right. Learn how to roll the stick in your body. Swing to be like this. Make sure guys na mahigpit na pagkakahawak mo, at sa pag-ikot mo guys is kailangan sa gilid mo dadaan. Make sure guys na huwag kang tatamaan, dahil guys kung tatamaan ka, to avoid accident, matulis siya at mayroon kang kalalagyan pag matamaan ka. Yes guys, no? To all beginners, put your hand to like this, hand to foot forward, right this, if you are right handle of the stick. Now, if you are left handle of the stick, fourth, put your feet forward, left, and then to be balanced like this. Your hand is open to be like this. Make sure if you're balanced, learn to roll your joint. Put your hand, right hand in your front, like this. And then, swing. Left hander, obviously like this. Again. In the left hander. Step forward, left, put your hand. Make sure to put your head. Do not put your hand like this to avoid accident. Like this. Again, the left hander. All beginners has to be like this. Ha! All left hander. Left hander. Now if your right handle has to be like this. Step forward, right, and make your balance like this. Put your left hand in front of you, has to be like this. To make your balance, hold to be like this. Magdahan-dahan po lamang sa umpisa. Huwag niyo po madaliin sa mga beginners. Tall student. In one hand, Kung Fu long technique on this level. The ground technique. Sa ground techniques to guys, no? All student, beginners, especially all the girls. Use of defense. Kung Fu techniques, use a long stick. Back. Step forward, right if you are a right handle of the stick. A long stick with a rope. Remember, to avoid accident, slow down in the first technique. Magdandahan po lamang sa unang umpisa para makaiwas sa disgrasya. Ayan, sige, no? Learn to roll your hand, to join in your hand. Like this. Magdandahan po sa pagkain nito. This is good to all the girls. Your self-defense technique in Kung Fu, the ground techniques. Yan. Ha! Simple guys. The first, to all beginners, student. If you are mastering this, pwede mo siya ilaban sa competition. Okay guys? Step by step. Step 1, level 1, attack number 1. Yeah, figure number 1. Again, if you're right handle, step forward right. Make sure a balance na stick in your hand has to be like this. Put your hand in front of you, to be like this. Step forward to be like this. Roll. Pack, kick, akong po, karate do techniques. In a combat, tall step, tall beginners. Again, step forward, right, just like this. Roll, be like this. Attack, kick, chop. Attack, kick, chop. Now, if you are a left-hander, just like this. Step forward, left, make sure a balance. Put your hand again to like this. Make sure balance the stick like this. Roll. In a ground technique, kung po, long stick arrows with arrow on this level. Tall beginners, student, especially tall beginners in your self-defense technique, in the kung po ground techniques. Pack, chak. Ha. Thank you so much. Again, left-hander, has to be like this. Sa lahat ng mga left-hander na gagamit, left-hander, to be like this. Roll, to be like this. Chop, kick, down, chop. Has to be like this. Ha! Ha! And a right handle has to be like this. Your hand put like this and roll. It depends the position and the level. This is a ground techniques. Has to be like this. Chop. kick, jump. Again. Thank you so much. And ha! Ha! Welcome to my vlog.